So the Debt Management Office just released a savings bond opportunity for the month of November, and here's everything you need to know before deciding if you invest in this subscription. Now you could discover that last month I made a video showing you everything you need to know about the savings bond opportunity for the month of October, and you could see that the interest rate for the month of October was about 15% and 14% for the 2 years and 3 years tenor. But you could see that this month's interest rate has gotten down, or it has reduced. You can see that for a 3 years tenor you are getting 14.56%, and for the 2 years tenor you are getting 13.56%. So you can see that interest rate is gradually going down for this investment, for this low risk investment. So is it worth investing in the FGN Savings Bond opportunity for the month of November? Before I answer that question, let me tell you how to go about investing if you want to invest.
So here's how to invest. All you have to do is to first of all enter your Investor 2.0 app, and you'll be seeing the app like this, your dashboard. Then you'll be seeing the tab for invest. You click on invest, and you'll be seeing Nigerian stock, FGN Savings Bond. You click on FGN Savings Bond. Now prior to this time, if you want to invest in the FGN Savings Bond, you'll be needing a link. Then once you click the link, you'll be filling some forms. But after Investor 2.0, I've made it very much easy and possible for you to invest in less than 1 minute. So after clicking on that, you'll be seeing the 2 years tenor, the 3 years tenor. Now for a 2 years tenor, you can see the percentage 13.56%. For a 3 years tenor, you can see that it's 14.56%. Once it's 7th of November, this investment closes, so you'll not be seeing it here again. Now if you want to go ahead and invest in, let's say you want to invest in the 3 years tenor, once you click on it, you'll be seeing some information you need to know, and you can see that the how you are going to be paid will be displayed here. The days you'll be paid will be displayed here, so you can take a screenshot of it so that you will not forget the days you'll be paid. So once you are done with all this information, you click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, you put the amount you want to invest, then you now subscribe to bond. Click on subscribe to bond, and that's how to go about investing in the FGN Savings Bond for the month of November.
Now coming on to if this investment is still safe to invest. Yes, this is a low risk investment, so it's safe investment. You are giving money to the federal government of Nigeria to invest for you, and they are going to give you interest in return. So you can see that 14% and 13% is what they are giving for this month's subscription. So talking about if it's a safe investment for you, definitely is a safe investment. It's a low risk. You are not really to be afraid if you are going to lose your money. No, you are not going to lose your money. But the thing about this investment is that since the interest rate is reducing, I would not really recommend the FGN Savings Bond as one of the best investments out there, because getting 14.5% per annum is not really a decent offer if you want to invest. Yeah, because it's kind of low. Let's put it into perspective. Investing 100,000 naira will give you 14,500 naira per annum in 3 years. Or if you're investing for a 2 years tenor, you are getting 13,500 naira in 2 years rather, and they are going to pay per annum. And this payment is made 4 times every year. You are going to be paid in February, you are going to be paid in May, and I guess the next payment should be in probably August, then the next one will now be in November. So they are paying you 4 times every year. Your total accumulation of interest will now result to 14.5% per annum, and it's kind of low. Now there are other apps or fintech apps that give you 20% per annum. Some give you 18% per annum. Yeah, that's kind of a sweet offer. But the FGN Savings Bond investment, or the interest rate, has always been going down. When I start investing in the FGN Savings Bond, you can see interest rates will be about 18%. Yeah, that's a sweet offer, but now it's getting down to 14%. We don't know what next month's interest rates will be like. Probably 13% for the 3 years tenor and 12% for the 2 years tenor. So that's why I say that the FGN Savings Bond, it's not really a sweet offer currently, because their interest rate is currently dropping. And once you've invested, you've locked your money there, you'll not be able to withdraw your money till it's 2 years time or 3 years time. That's one thing about the FGN Savings Bond. But if you're invested in treasury bill, you can get your interest as you're investing, and your capital is locked to your investment matures. For the FGN Savings Bond, you're not getting your interest immediately, and you're not getting your capital immediately. So your money is just there, and they'll be paying you directly to your bank account when it is time for payment or time for settlement. So that's one thing you need to know about the FGN Savings Bond. But if you want to still go ahead investing in it because it's low risk, it's not a problem. All you have to do is to follow the step I've just shown you. So that's the information I need to pass to you as regards the FGN Savings Bond subscription for the month of November. If you want more content like this, do want to hit that subscribe button, because here in Waxfly we talk about investments, making some cash online, and doing business, and some financial tips you need to know. It's a world of investment. If you want to make money, you need to invest in maybe active income or passive income. So that's one thing we do here in Waxfly TV. Hit hit that subscribe button if videos like this interest you. Share this video to help out a friend, and also drop your comments in the comment section if there are some things you don't understand and you need me to make clarification as regards it. Till our next one, peace.